Hi kids, today we're going to hear from the book of Nehemiah. While Nehemiah was a cupbearer to the Artaxerxes, a Persian king, Nehemiah's friends brought some sad news from his homeland. They told Nehemiah that the walls of Jerusalem were broken down and the people were in trouble. As soon as Nehemiah heard the news, he sat down and cried. There he prayed for God's help. Nehemiah was so sad, even the king noticed and asked him about it. Before Nehemiah answered, he prayed to God. Then Nehemiah asked the king, "Please send me to the city of my family so that I can rebuild it." The king gave him permission, and he even gave Nehemiah letters to give to other leaders for Nehemiah's safety and supplies, and he sent soldiers with Nehemiah. 3 days after Nehemiah arrived, he inspected the damage. Then he encouraged the people and told them he wanted to rebuild the wall. The people agreed and began the job. Nehemiah's enemies, Sanballat and Tobiah, were not pleased. When asked if he was working against the king, Nehemiah replied, "God will give us success. We are his servants and we will start building." Workers repaired the wall and the gates. Sanballat was furious. Tobiah made fun of the workers. Sanballat and Tobiah also plotted to attack the city. Nehemiah and the people did not stop. Instead, they prayed. Nehemiah told the workers, "Do not be afraid. Remember, your great God is ready to protect your families." Half the workers guarded the walls, and the other half kept building. Sanballat and Geshem sent messages to bring Nehemiah away from the wall. Nehemiah knew his enemies had planned to harm him, so he refused to leave. Then Nehemiah's enemies started rumors to discourage him. Nehemiah responded, "The rumors you are spreading are untrue. You are inventing them." 52 days after the project began, the workers finished the wall. Nehemiah's enemies lost their courage and confidence, and they realized that God helped Nehemiah to rebuild the wall. People can respond to Jesus' gift of salvation. Just like people responded to Nehemiah's wall that he built, and they knew that he had protected the people, Jesus' gift of salvation will protect your heart. It'll protect your life for eternity. Romans 12:14 says, "Bless those who persecute you. Bless and do not curse."